So, ayun guys, kakain muna kami sa Wendy's. May Wendy's. Yung favorite pa nila yung Wendy's. So, and it's 6:30 AM. So, mamaya pa yung flight namin. Mamayang 10 AM. Pero ayan, mas okay na hindi late. Right line.
Ayan, hindi kami meron.
Guys, as you can see, kakain lang kami sa Wendy's. So, this is their airport. And while we're waiting, Lily's gonna sing, Love Yourself. Waiting na lang kami sa food namin. I'm with Lewis Kitayag. Yung, pinaka-masipag sa walkabout. Ayan siya.
Import na kabalo ito.
Baka daw malaman nyo. Pero joke lang yan.
Bata ma-discover mo.
So let's eat muna guys. Waiting na ako. Hi guys. So guys, here's my flight ticket with my mom. And it's Lyle. So ayan, waiting na lang. We're in zone 1.
Ito bang kaya mo metong mong kami?
So for the pila si Lewis Kitayag.
Okay na.
So, ngayon, nakakabay na kami. Window seat. So, ayan. We'll update na lang pag nandun ako. Bye!
Ready for departure. We'll check for 5 minutes. Put your seat up and ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened, plug your tray table and open your window shade. Please switch all your electronic devices to flight mode. Smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited. Cigarettes are to be switched off, and batteries removed. The charging is essential. Cigarettes are strictly prohibited. Thank you.
Ituwid ang mga sandalan, tiklupin ang mga mesa, buksan ang tabing ng mga bintana, at ikabit ang seatbelt. Sa mga oras na ito, mangyari po lamang na ilagay ang lahat ng electronic devices sa flight mode. Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, ang paninigarilyo, kabilang ang paggamit ng e-cigarettes sa flight ng AirAsia, ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po.
And the safety features may differ from other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on upon contact with water, and here's a whistle to attract attention.
Ito. Is very haggard na. Tinagal na si Bieber. So, ayan guys, since nag-book kami, and ayan, si Kuya na yung nagbabayad para sa akin. So, ayan, hi! Welcome to Boracay. Shucks, dito pa lang mag-swimming ka na talaga. As you can see guys, maulan. Say hi! So ayan mga te, maulan. Pero okay lang yan kasi 4 days naman kami here. Libre ni Lyle. Maniwala ka, Lel, si Maron yan. O, dali na, check-in na tayo. Akala ko yung babo yan. Atin kitang beachfront. Atin din. So, hi guys. Maliliyapin.
Siya ang tapanok.
Oy, oy, oy! Pagdakidaran to ka. Oy, oy! Ah!
So that's our... Hi guys, so we're going to Boracay. Nakabihis na si Kenko. Si Kenko. So, hi guys, papunta naman sa beach kasama si Lewiski. Saka yung sinamama. So, ayan, i-check natin kung maganda talaga yung beach nila. Sabi kasi ni Lel maganda eh. Sabi ni Lel maganda. So, let's see.
Tinikiki.
Grabe yung sun, guys! Grabe yung sun niya, guys! Bro, we're here at Boracay right now. Grabe. Hi! So that's my favorite Yao Yao, and we're here at the beach.
Diyan tayo kami, Felix.
Oh, sige.
Bing, bing.
Dulo. God damn shit.
Wow, dragon cute ka.
Naalala ko.
Chocolateria, oh. For sure natin kaiken. Butterol. Ne, babe?
Yes, mom, sir. Fruit shake, fruit juice.
Halo mango. Hi. Hi, Tem. Ay, ning Lakeview. No.
It's time to film.
Ay.
Kaya ko pawan.
Waiting for the food sa Dockslands. So hi guys, if you're looking for budget meal here sa Boracay, i-try nyo ang Andox kasi sobrang mura lang. Very budget friendly. So hindi na namin kaya
Shisha
maglakad.
balls.
What the freak?
Shisha balls. Shisha balls.
Tignan niyo po yung ngipin
Shisha
nila.
balls.
Na kami guys kasi hindi na namin kaya pang maglakad.
Shisha balls.
Guys, babalik na sa resort kasi si Lyle gusto daw mag-ML. What the? Alaning pool.